It's October, so you already know it's pumpkin season, man. Pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice, whatever you want to call it. Kit Kat is back, man. This is from Kit Kat. This is the pumpkin pie flavor Kit Kat. See what we got, man. Let's open. Bam, here we go, man. Y'all can see it. Pumpkin pie flavor Kit Kat. Crazy, right? Got like that orange, like an orange texture going on right now. Regular Kit Kat, just an orange, like an orange texture. There you go. There you go. Now we can see. Now we got some good lighting. Orange texture right there. That definitely give you that pumpkin pie taste to it. Definitely got good flavor to it, man. Pretty good texture. It's not too heavy on the pumpkin pie, just right, man. If you're a fan of pumpkin pie, I recommend getting this. I recommend picking it up. Definitely worth it. Got this I got this from Kroger. I think like $3 and some change, man. But yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. If I had to rate this Kit Kat pumpkin pie, I'd give this a 10 out of 10, solid score. I like pumpkin spice. I like that stuff, man. It's pretty good, in my opinion, of course. But yeah, man. Anyway, man, y'all know what to do. Comment, like, and subscribe, and keep watching my videos. And keep watching, man. Comment, like, and subscribe, and keep watching for more videos, more food reviews, more content on the way. Till next time, man. Peace. We out.